India is a land of immense scale and diversity. With a landmass exceeding 3.2 million square kilometers, it ranks as the seventh largest country globally. Its population, exceeding 1.4 billion, makes it the world's most populous nation. Situated in South Asia, India occupies a pivotal position within the Indian subcontinent, extending from the towering Himalayas in the north to the tropical shores of the Indian Ocean in the south. This vast geographical expanse encompasses a remarkable range of landscapes. Towering mountains, fertile plains, arid deserts, dense forests, and a vast coastline all coexist within India's borders. This diversity in physical geography has shaped India's history, culture, and economy for millennia. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the modern technological hub of Bangalore, India's story is intricately woven with its geography. India's strategic location at the crossroads of ancient trade routes has made it a melting pot of cultures and ideas for centuries. Its interactions with neighboring civilizations have left an enduring mark on its art, architecture, language, and cuisine. The Indian subcontinent's unique geographical position has also influenced the monsoon patterns that govern its agricultural cycles, shaping the lives of millions of farmers across the country. India shares its extensive land borders with several countries, each contributing to the complex geopolitical landscape of the region. To the west, Pakistan stands as a neighbor born from the partition of British India in 1947. The shared history and cultural ties between the two nations are undeniable, yet a complex political reality persists. To the north, the towering Himalayas form a natural barrier separating India from China, the world's second-largest economy and a rising global power. The border disputes and strategic tensions between these two Asian giants underscore the geopolitical significance of this region. Further east, India borders Myanmar, a nation grappling with political transitions and ethnic conflicts. Bangladesh, carved out of Pakistan in 1971, shares a long and porous border with India, marked by both cooperation and challenges in managing migration and cross-border trade. To the northeast, India shares borders with Bhutan and Nepal, two Himalayan kingdoms with unique cultural identities and close ties to India. This intricate network of borders and relationships underscores India's pivotal role in regional stability and cooperation. Managing these relationships requires a delicate balance of diplomacy, economic engagement, and military preparedness. India's foreign policy must navigate the complexities of shared history, cultural ties, economic interests, and security concerns. Its role as a regional power necessitates active participation in multilateral forums, fostering dialogue and promoting cooperation. The Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range, form a formidable northern barrier for India. These towering peaks, perpetually capped with snow and ice, have played a crucial role in shaping India's climate, culture, and defense. They act as a natural shield, blocking cold air masses from Central Asia and influencing the monsoon patterns that bring life-giving rain to the subcontinent. The Himalayas are also a source of major rivers, including the Ganges and the Brahmaputra, which sustain millions of people across India and Bangladesh. These mountains, revered in Hindu mythology as the abode of gods, have inspired spiritual seekers and adventurers for centuries. The rugged terrain and harsh climate pose formidable challenges, yet they also offer breathtaking beauty and unparalleled opportunities for mountaineering and trekking. The Himalayas are home to a rich diversity of flora and fauna, many found nowhere else on Earth. The ecological fragility of this region is increasingly threatened by climate change. The melting glaciers and altered precipitation patterns pose significant risks to downstream communities. Protecting the Himalayas and ensuring the sustainable development of this ecologically sensitive region is crucial not only for India, but for the entire world. South of the Himalayas lie the fertile plains of North India, formed by the alluvial deposits of the Indus, Ganges, and Brahmaputra rivers. This region, known as the Indo-Gangetic Plain, is one of the most densely populated areas on Earth, home to hundreds of millions of people. Its fertile soil and abundant water resources have made it the breadbasket of India for millennia. supporting a thriving agricultural economy that sustains a vast population. This region has also been the cradle of numerous civilizations, witnessing the rise and fall of empires and the flourishing of art, culture, and religion. From the Mauryan Empire to the Mughal dynasty, the plains of North India have been the stage for grand historical dramas. The region's strategic importance has made it a battleground for control over resources and trade routes, shaping the destinies of empires and the lives of millions. Today, the North Indian plains face challenges of overpopulation, environmental degradation, and unequal development. Balancing economic growth with environmental sustainability and ensuring equitable distribution of resources are crucial for the future well-being of this vital region. Section 5. The Deccan Plateau, Ancient Land, Modern Heart. South of the Indo-Gangetic Plain lies the Deccan Plateau, a vast elevated region that covers much of central and southern India. This ancient landmass, composed of igneous and metamorphic rocks, has witnessed the rise and fall of numerous dynasties, leaving behind a rich legacy of temples, forts, and cultural traditions. Though less fertile than the northern plains, the Deccan Plateau supports a diverse range of agricultural activities, including cotton, sugarcane, and rice cultivation. This region is also rich in mineral resources, contributing significantly to India's industrial growth. Cities like Hyderabad and Bangalore, located on the Deccan Plateau, have emerged as major centers of technology and innovation, driving India's economic transformation in recent decades. The Deccan Plateau's strategic location and its diverse resources have made it a crucial region for India's economic development and strategic significance. Its unique geography has fostered the development of distinct cultural identities and linguistic diversity. Its historical importance, combined with its modern economic dynamism, makes it a region of vital importance for India's future. Section 6. Coastal Plains and Islands. Gateways to the world. India's extensive coastline, stretching over 7,500 kilometers, provides it with a strategic advantage in maritime trade and naval power. The coastal plains, bordering the Arabian Sea to the west and the Bay of Bengal to the east, are home to major port cities like Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, serving as gateways to international markets. These coastal regions, blessed with a favorable climate and fertile soil, are major centers of agriculture, fishing, and tourism. India also possesses a chain of islands, including the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands, with their rich biodiversity and unique ecosystems, are important for India's maritime security and ecological conservation efforts. The coastal regions and islands, with their diverse cultures and economic activities, play a vital role in connecting India to the rest of the world. These regions are also vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, including rising sea levels, coastal erosion, and increased frequency of cyclones. Protecting these coastal communities and ecosystems is crucial for India's economic well-being and environmental security. Section 7. Diversity in Unity, a Cultural Kaleidoscope. India's vast geographical diversity is mirrored in its rich cultural tapestry. A multitude of languages, religions, traditions, and cuisines coexist within its borders, making it one of the most culturally diverse nations on Earth. This diversity is a testament to India's long history of interactions with different civilizations, its ability to absorb and adapt external influences, and its capacity to foster a vibrant mosaic of cultures. Each region of India boasts its unique cultural identity, shaped by its geography, history, and interactions with neighboring communities. From the vibrant folk dances of Punjab to the intricate temple architecture of Tamil Nadu, India offers a kaleidoscope of cultural experiences. This diversity, far from being a source of division, has been a source of strength and resilience for India, allowing it to adapt to changing circumstances and embrace a multitude of perspectives. This cultural richness, celebrated through festivals, music, art, and literature, enriches the lives of Indians and attracts visitors from around the world, eager to experience the magic and wonder of this ancient land. Section 8. Conclusion. India's enduring significance. India's geographic diversity, strategic location, and vast human potential have made it a civilization of enduring significance. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the modern technological powerhouse, India has continuously reinvented itself, adapting to changing circumstances and leaving its mark on the world stage. Its geography has shaped its history, culture, and economy, influencing its interactions with the rest of the world for millennia. As India navigates the complexities of the 21st century, its geography will continue to play a crucial role in shaping its destiny. Managing its resources wisely, protecting its environment, and harnessing its human potential will be key to its success. India's ability to leverage its geographic advantages, its cultural richness, and its democratic values will determine its future trajectory. India's story is a testament to the power of geography to shape human destinies. Its journey, marked by resilience, adaptation, and innovation, offers valuable lessons for the world as it grapples with the challenges of globalization, climate change, and sustainable development.